Hi sir,
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. What about you?
I'm also fine. So, what is your name?
My name is Lavish Prajapati, and what is your good name, sir?
My name is Ajit Pokkar.
Okay,
And
that's
where are
nice.
you from?
I'm from Raipur. And what about you, sir?
I'm from Raipur. It's near to Chotoli.
Okay.
So, tell me about your family.
My family. About my family, so there are five members in my family, including me, my parents, and my two siblings.
Okay.
And what about your family?
There are six members in my family, including with me.
Okay. So do you have brother?
Yes, I have a single brother.
Okay. What does he do?
He's doing a job in the railway.
Engineering.
Yeah.
Oh, he's in a government
Yes,
job.
he is a government employee.
Okay, that's nice.
Thank you.
Okay. So where is he? Where is he posting now?
He is living nowadays in Rampur.
Rampur.
Yeah, it's near to
And
Muradabad.
it's near to Muradabad.
Yeah.
Have you visited there?
Yeah, I have visited there many times.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how did you find?
It was nice.
Okay. So, and what is the famous place there? Do
There
you
is
know about it?
no famous place to visit it there. There are
Okay.
some restaurant and hotels to visit there.
Okay. So have you ever visited in any restaurant there?
Yeah, I visited always there
Okay.
because I'm fond of traveling in
Okay.
restaurants.
Okay. What kind of place do you like to travel?
I like to travel in malls,
Mm.
shops because I'm fond of doing shoppings. That's why I
Okay.
love to traveling to visit it in malls.
Okay. So that means you mostly like urban areas where there's a lot of fun activity you may do.
Yeah,
Okay. And
I
what
don't like hill stations.
you also like the hill station?
Yeah,
Okay. Which is your favorite hill station in India?
no, I said that I don't like hill
Oh, you
stations.
don't like? Oh,
Yeah,
sorry. That was my mistake.
no, it's okay.
Okay. So why do you not like hill station? Actually, in India, mostly person like that.
Yeah, it's up to a person what he like to do.
No, maybe is there any particular reason behind that?
No, there is no fixed reasons. So
Okay.
tell me about your hobbies.
My hobbies are observing, thinking, and I also like to play games.
What kinds of games do you play most?
Actually, I play both kind of games, outdoor and indoor. In
Okay,
outdoor game, I mostly prefer cricket and
okay.
kabaddi. And if I talk about indoor games, I mostly use mobile.
Mobiles.
Maybe chess, ludo, and sometimes
No,
I use Free Fire.
nice to know.
And what about your interest? In which
About
thing do
my
you have
hobbies,
interest?
I mostly play cricket and watch movies in my free time.
Okay, you watch movies.
Yes,
What kind of movie do you watch?
I love to watch Hollywood movies most
Okay, why do you only prefer that Hollywood movies?
because they have good VFX and stories to represent in front of us.
Okay,
That's why
which is your favorite movie in
my
Hollywood?
favorite movies in Hollywood is Avenger Endgame.
Okay, do you watch South movies also?
Yes, I also watch South movies.
Okay, nowadays now you can see the competition between Bollywood and South. So how do
Yeah,
you see this?
it is a nice thing because South are doing very well compared to Bollywood. They are giving best movies to us
And
as
what?
compared to Bollywood.
Okay, why do you think that Bollywood is not providing us that much good movies?
Because Bollywood movies have same concept, love stories, in end the villain or the hero villain, but South are doing different.
Actually, in India, mostly person like that same thing.
Yeah, they are just copying South movies.
Okay, sometimes they also copy Hollywood movies.
Yeah, always they do same thing. They have nothing new to do.
Okay, so how do you see our film industry? What they are providing us? They are giving us good information or bad information for our youth.
Sometimes they present, give us good knowledge. Sometimes they divert us.
What about mostly? How do you
Mostly,
see
they
this?
in Bollywood they always want to distract our mind.
How?
How you can see
Uh,
that they have only love stories in their movies. Everyone
okay,
want to become a lover.
okay,
Yeah, it is a bad thing.
okay. So do you think that yeah, it's a bad content as
Yeah,
they
it
are
is a bad
providing
content.
us?
In South, there are few movies they have love stories. They mostly make on a
They
different,
hardly make some
yeah,
movies
yeah,
like that. Mostly they prefer action movies.
action movies and
But
good
in
scripts movies.
I believe in that in a South movie, there's a action. It's beyond the mind.
No, no,
They
nowadays they are changed.
always so.
No, no, nowadays they are totally changed. They have good VFX in their
Uh,
action movies.
okay, now they are doing well in
Yeah,
that.
they are
Yeah.
doing well. That's why their movies are going up to Bollywood.
Okay. So who's your favorite actor in South industry?
So the industry, my favorite actor is Mahesh Babu.
Mahesh Babu.
Yeah,
Okay. Why do you like him?
just because of his look, he's
Okay.
charming and everyone call
I
him
think
Prince.
he's the most handsome person in the world as well.
No, no, he's not.
He's, he's
Maybe I don't know about it.
I don't know. I have heard about it.
Okay, maybe
Uh,
he is, but he has good looks.
and what about actress? Who's your
Actors
favorite
in South.
actress? In the
In
South.
South, Samantha.
Arjun Samant, I think that
Yeah.
is a full name.
No, no, only Samantha, I think.
No, that is a full name.
Let it be.
Okay. Okay. What about your interest in sport? Do you have any interest in sport?
Yes, I am interested in cricket.
Okay, you
In
have.
free time, I used to play cricket.
And what about watching part? As IPL is going on.
Yeah, I also watch IPL.
So, who's your favorite team in IPL?
In IPL, my favorite team is Mumbai Indians.
Okay.
You know, just because of Rohit Sharma.
Okay. Just because of this.
Yeah,
What? Oh, okay. How do you see Mr. Dhoni, Mahendra Singh Dhoni?
he's also good player.
Okay. He, I
But I'm
mean,
a dive.
if we compare both,
You can see that I'm
both
a
are.
dive hard fan of Rohit Sharma.
Okay, you're a hard fan of
Yeah,
Rohit Sharma. Okay. Have you ever met him?
not yet, but I want to meet him in
Okay.
future.
Okay. Okay.
It was a
Okay.
nice. Thank you.
Thanks. Same to you.
Thank you.